Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Today I'm going to share with you the ultimate guide to planting a fall garden. Fall is an incredible season for gardening, and it's not just about cleaning up after summer. You can still plant and harvest some amazing crops. So let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the soil. Fall gardening starts with prepping your soil. Clear out any leftover summer plants and weeds and mix in some compost to add nutrients back into the soil. Your plants will thank you for it. Next, let's discuss what to plant. Cool season crops are your best friends in the fall. Think leafy greens like spinach, kale, and lettuce. Root vegetables such as carrots, radishes, and beets also thrive in cooler temperatures. Don't forget about herbs like cilantro and parsley, which love the fall weather. Timing is everything. Make sure to plant your seeds about 6 to 8 weeks before the first expected frost. This gives your plants enough time to grow and mature. Check your local frost dates online to get a better idea. Watering is key. Fall weather can be unpredictable, with some areas getting a lot of rain and others staying dry. Keep an eye on the moisture level in your soil and adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Remember, it's better to water deeply and less frequently to encourage strong root growth. Mulch is your garden's best friend during fall. A good layer of mulch helps retain moisture, keeps weeds at bay, and adds organic matter as it breaks down. Plus, it gives your garden a neat and tidy look. Last but not least, protect your plants from early frosts. Use row covers or old bed sheets to cover your plants on chilly nights. This little extra effort can extend your growing season by a few more weeks. And there you have it, folks. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to a bountiful fall garden. Don't forget to enjoy the process and the beauty of your garden as it transitions into the cooler months. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, everyone!